Welcome back, friends. This time we are going to look into average function. It is an Excel built-in function and the second Excel built-in function that we are going to face in this course. The previous one was the AutoSum function. To access the this average function, either you can access it through the drop-down menu available with the AutoSum in the home ribbon or from the drop-down menu available with the AutoSum button in the formula ribbon. Once you before that just select the cell. This formula will also work for column only. Select a particular cell. Suppose we want to see the average of this data or say this data, so we will select a cell in that column which is below the desired data, and then we will open the drop down menu and select average. Now it has selected all the numerical data present as a continuous entity above this selected cell which have integer input as data, and it is going to do the average for the cell range of B4 to B15. Hit enter and it will give 132.72, the average of the selected cells. Now to edit the formula, we select the cell which contains the formula and press F2, and this time we will edit this cell as we do not want the average of this range. Actually we want the average of this range, so it is very easy to select the range of which we want to get the average. Just select the any corner of the range and rearrange it. Once you are satisfied with the selected range on the screen, hit enter. Now this is giving us the average of all this data, and now we want this to be applied to all the data till Saturday, to all the day datas, weekday datas as well. To do that, we will simply copy the formula till Saturday and we will leave it there, and it will give the average of let's check it. To check it, we will have to open the formula edit, that's F2, and yeah, it's C4 to C13, pretty much what we needed. Yes, so the range is perfectly applied to the desired set of data and the formula is working quite well.